Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So the market has been pretty slow overall today, but however, MMAT has been holding up throughout the day and breaking into new highs going to extended hours. I want to make sure we do cover exactly which levels we need to hold above going to tomorrow to have this continuation, and what exact indicators should we be looking out for to have this possible major breakout like we saw previously with TRCH. Again, MMAT previous TRCH previous major runner. We're going to see if we can get that momentum coming in here with MMAT going to tomorrow, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask for return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over MMAT with you guys here on the 5-minute chart, and then run back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. I especially want to go over the 4-hour with you guys because we have one in particular reason that we could have this continuation here on the larger time frame. I'm going to go over that with you guys here. But again, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned MMAT earlier today that they were picking up a volume throughout the day, and sure enough, we did break into new highs going to extended hours. We mentioned FCUV halted yesterday at $7.20, jumping all the way up to $24 on the day, up over 300% on that breakout. We mentioned RNXT earlier this week halted at $7.76, jumping all the way up to $18 on the day, jumping over 150% on that breakout. So again, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock or breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So as you guys can see here on MMAT on the 5-minute chart, we have been continuing on up, bouncing off the 200 moving average, bouncing off the 50, continuing on up throughout the day because we still had the 200 moving average still above the 50 throughout the day, giving us that continuation. And as you guys can see here on the MACD, again, we did have that continuation here. I'm going to go over the MACD with you guys so you guys can kind of understand how the MACD does work, what gave us this continuation, and what gave us that confirmation on this continuation. As you guys can see, again, we did get that sell pressure when we did sell off after that initial spike. But however, as you guys can see, we got that decrease in sell pressure with the EMA line still above the MACD, showing us that we may continue. And you guys can see we did get some sell pressure, but again, not a ton of sell pressure. We actually got a decrease in sell pressure on the day and gave us that continuation and giving us some buy pressure going in towards the end of the day, and then giving us that extension going to extended hours and breaking into new highs going to extended hours. As you guys can see here, giving us that major spike going to extended hours, giving us that confirmation, breaking into new highs on the MACD here. So again, going to tomorrow, that's exactly what I will be looking out for, is to get that continuation on that momentum here on the MACD. Again, breaking into new highs with the MACD would be very key for us. But however, in my opinion, to have that major breakout, I'm going to go over the 4-hour with you guys here so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have been continuing on down with the 200 moving average below the 50. But I wanted to mention one in particular thing about this stock that we have not seen in quite a while, and that is that the 200 moving average is crossing above the 50, and we have not seen that in quite a while since we did have that previous breakout with TRCH. And also, you guys can see here on the EMA lines, we have the EMA lines that are crossing above the MACD as well. We have not seen that since our previous breakout with MMAT, with TRCH, should I say. And we are going to be looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure going to tomorrow to have more confirmation on this move. And the reason why I mentioned this buy pressure in particular is because you guys can see previously we had this major spike to 579, and we did mention this is a very key breakout point that we did have in the Instables room, and sure enough, we did break above it going to extended hours. So in my opinion, we're going to be looking to see if we can hold up over 579 to have this continuation, and if we can hold over 579 in my opinion, and we can get that increase in buy pressure here above our previous buy pressure point that we did have at 579, then we could have a major continuation here. And in my opinion, again, with the EMA lines crossing above the MACD, giving us a lot of momentum here, we are going to be looking to see if we can continue on with MMAT here. And in my opinion, if we can break into new highs and we can continue on up with this buy pressure, we are going to be looking to see if we can break above the 740 mark. As you guys can see, we got a previous rejection here at $7.40. And then our next resistance being $10. As you guys can see previously, we did have our major rejection here at $10. Again, you guys can see we had a continuation sell-off. You guys can see previously we did hold above $10. We had our bounce here on that $10 mark and had that continuation breakout here with TRCH before they were MMAT. And as you guys can see, after we could not hold that $10 mark, we had that continuation on down here with MMAT and have been consolidating since then. And again, now we are consolidating above the 20 moving average, and the 20 moving average is again crossing above the 50, looking to see if we can get that pressure and that push here on MMAT to get that major breakout. So again, MMAT definitely on the watch with the amount of volume that we do have. And of course, we're going to be watching this buy pressure. Make sure we do get confirmation on every one of these breakouts to make sure we do have justified reasons for every one of these breakouts, so that way we have consistent breakouts and again, consistent trades. And again, this is not financial advice or recommendation. This is only what I'm going to be doing. And again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, or everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.